Hey, it's Jazz. I'm back again with another video. This video is for a client who commented on our previous video asking how to apply 1212 Scalp Oil. First, let's talk about why you may need the scalp oil. The scalp oil is created with jojoba oil, grapeseed, vitamin E, and moringa, which helps to control chafing and chafing of the skin, provide moisture to the skin, which is a part of your scalp, and is rich in antioxidants. We need that for our skin because your skin, like I said, is a part of your scalp. The scalp oil helps to relieve the scalp of flakiness if you have dry skin. Now, some clients have experienced up to 1 week of relief, but that really depends on the severity of your scalp issue. We have to understand, y'all, that there is a difference between having dry scalp because you just simply have dry skin versus experiencing flakiness because your scalp have an excessive amount of product built up on top of having oily skin. But that's another topic for another day. Let's just stay focused on this particular topic, y'all. Dry skin. And that's when you know you need the scalp oil. So once I'm done exfoliating her scalp with the scalp oil, we detox with the mud mask, we cleanse with the clarifying shampoo, and we hydrate with the steam and conditioner. And this is all provided by 1212, y'all. I don't really need much on my client hair after that process. I mean, I use as y'all can see, I use the 1212 hair mist, the heat protectant. But other than that, I'll put like a light serum on the hair when I apply the flat irons and the curlers. But other than that, I don't really need any other creams, any other concoctions. Like, this is it. So I'm working the shampoo on her hair, and you know it's not really sudsing up that much. And I just need y'all to take that to heart that the shampoo doesn't have any sulfates in it, so it's going to take a little longer to suds up. But even if it suds up, sorry y'all, I'm stumbling over my words. Even if it don't suds up, still thoroughly work the shampoo on the hair from the root all the way down to the ends, and then by the time you get to your second shampoo, you'll see that your hair will have a lot more suds. Remember, suds do not equate that the hair is being clean, right? That doesn't mean your hair is being clean. So still gotta take it through the thorough process of making sure that the product is being saturated on the hair. Now, we conditioning the hair with 1212 conditioner, of course. Remember, it's no silicones, it's no heavy oils, it doesn't weigh your hair down. It's rich, it's thick, but it's not heavy, if that makes sense. So we're going through the hydration process, which every porosity needs, so that you can have the maximum amount of moisture. And you just let that sit for a while. You know, if you at home and you need to steam your hair, maybe put on your favorite show, let the steamer go off, and then this is the result of having the exfoliated scalp. And I have the scalp exfoliated with 1212 scalp oil and going through the cleanse and hydration process. Her curls look so juicy. Then we spray in the hair mist, and I'm gonna open up the hair and show y'all how her scalp looks. Like, it looks so clean, and her hair is not weighed down at all. So you don't have to be scared to use the scalp oil thinking like, oh my gosh, my hair gonna be weighed down. Just make sure that you're not applying it to the hair. The scalp only. That's the only thing you need the scalp oil for, is for your scalp. Now, if you want to use it in between your wash days, you only need it twice a week. Twice a week on your scalp. And I would say place it on trigger spots, right? And I say that because you don't want to overwhelm your scalp with all of this oil, because your body also produces sebum. Now, it might not produce as much as the next person. That's why you are experiencing dry scalp. But don't overwhelm your scalp with all this oil. And then next thing you know, your pores is clogged. And it's just making it worse. But this is the result. She was happy. And y'all know I got to play the review. Hold on.
Looks so good. Oh my goodness. So girl, we gonna leave it just like this. Leave it like that? Yeah. Okay.
Now, y'all know my clients love their curls tight, so I didn't comb them out. I just left them like that. But, yep, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be uploading the next video soon.